Hello students, this is Moshmi madam and I'll be teaching you today the shortest chapter of your environmental application. That is lesson number 10, initiatives I can take. Basically it comes as 3 or 6 marks question in section A, which deals with the steps or measures you can take. You know very well that human activities have resulted in degradation of natural resources and large scale population pollution of air, land and water has started destroying the earth at a faster rate. So we need to take some initiatives from both at personal level in order to save the earth. So in this case today we will study what the initiatives you can take to protect mother nature in two categories. The first one is by creating environmental awareness to protect the environment, and to create awareness with respect to energy, how we can conserve energy at various sectors. The first one is personal level. When it comes to personal level, you can take many measures or steps to protect mother nature. Like for example, you can avoid the use of polythene bags and other non-biodegradable materials and causes harm to the environment. You can either carry a bag or jute bag etc. to shopping centers and reduce or minimize the use of polythenes. You can also recycle or reuse the waste materials instead of throwing them away. You should not burn garbage. Rather, you can go for composting method, which is a very suitable one for creating organic manure for your kitchen garden. From your kitchen garden, you can use it. Then you can save energy by innovative methods and technologies at your home. Nowadays, we are having a lot of like eco-friendly technologies and which are also electronic devices that are suitable for conservation of energy. You can go for carpool or public transport in order to save the fossil fuel. You can conserve and harvest water and recharge groundwater at personal level by rainwater harvesting. So these are all at personal levels you can do. When it comes to energy, you will only mention about energy like lights and electrical energy. When it comes to environment, you will never write regarding energy. You will write other features regarding with respect to that. Then when it comes to local level, it includes like schools or your neighborhood areas etc. In local level, what you can do to protect, you can spread awareness on environmental issues like reduction in the use of plastics, bottles. You can recycle, reduce or reuse. You can go for afforestation programs, plant more trees like we celebrate One Mahotsav in our school. You can save water, energy etc. You can also spread awareness by participating in rallies, in street plays or addresses etc. You can organize or participate in competitions like debates, essay, and you can like participate in paintings or drawing competitions in order to create awareness. Then you can also write in articles in various newspapers, children magazines or school newsletters. So these are all at local level. And apart from that, you can also spread awareness by participating or celebrating days like World Water Day, World Environment Day, then Earth Hour etc. You can visit national parks, you can visit eco-friendly gardens, lakes etc. so that it creates interest or love for nature. And finally, this term is known as ecotourism, which will help in creating a healthy relationship between mother nature and you, and finally save the environment. You can be a part of NGO that is working for the upliftment of the nature. So that means that is working for protection of environment etc. Okay, so these are all at local levels. Then the next one is business sectors. There is high usage of energy in the business sectors, so you need to take initiatives effectively in order to protect our environment as well as conserve the energy. For example, you can buy Energy Star appliances, products and lights like 5-star appliances we generally have. Now you can reduce the use of AC and keep them in sleep mode when at night. Do not switch on the lights during the daytime. Try to open the window and use the sunlight maximum. You can close the shades and blinds at night to reduce the amount of heat lost. Then you can turn off and unplug non-essential lights and appliances which are not in use. So these are the ways which we can follow in order to conserve energy and protect mother nature. Apart from that, you can also set computers and monitors and printers, other business equipments in energy saving mode. For example, like in mobiles, when we have less battery, we generally go for power saving option. Similarly, we can also go for energy saving mode in electronic devices in order to conserve energy at business sectors. Okay, and the most important is you will be having in this is peak hour, in which energy is used maximum. That time is actually between 5 to 9 am and 4 to 7 pm. that is known as your peak hour. So you should reduce or minimize the use of this energy during their peak demand hours, that is 5 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. This is an important point you can mention in your answers. Okay, so this is the shortest chapter you are having. Question might come like what measures you can take to conserve energy, what you should do to create awareness in your neighborhood, what steps you can take to protect mother nature, or what steps you can take at business level to save the resources. So these type of 3 or 6 marks question can come, or 2 marks question can come in your section A, and you have to answer accordingly. Thank you.